Welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to add shadows in Canva. Adding shadows to elements in Canva is a great way to add depth and make your design stand out. Here is how you can do it. So first of all, we will log into our account. Then we can just go to any random designs for now. We'll go for a square 500 into 500 pixel. Then whatever elements you want to add shadow, we'll just make that element here in the canvas. In the top toolbar, you are supposed to find a effects option which will look like a square with a circle inside, but as you can see, I don't have that effects option right here. So what we can do is that we will go to elements and search for shadow, and then there are 4 sides right in the shape or element that you have chosen. So if you want to give the shadow to the right side of the shape or left or upper or the over the border line, then you can choose some free shadow makers from here, and what you need to do is just shape it according to the element that you have taken. Like this, you can shape it up, you can crop it, you can make it small. You can also adjust the shadow's transparency from here. There will be a transparency option in the effect bar tool. Now just adjust the shadow's transparency, blur, spread and angle using the sliders. You can also look for the magic recommendations that they will have here, which will be suited for many of the bigger elements like square or rectangle. Once you are just happy with the shadow, click outside of the panel and apply it. Save your design by downloading or sharing it directly. Use subtle shadows for a professional look. That's it for the video. If you like our video, give it a thumbs up. Canva is right now working on new features like effects, so it is not on the effects bar, but you can experience new editors tools in the upcoming times. So stay tuned for that, and we will see you in the next video.